Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This will be a complete project tutorial series for a Strip Plaza model. Let's get started. So to start, let's open a new architecture template. And then here, we start off by adding grid lines. So you could go to architecture and then grid line or GR for short. So GR and then let's pick the straight line like this. So it starts with number 1 and then let's press escape, click the grid line and then just create copy. So I'm gonna do it again, copy and then click multiple. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna maintain the distance of 6,000 millimeters. I'm gonna add 7. So we're in 6 and then last 7. So once you're done, press escape and then let's add the horizontal grid line. Let's start with this. And then change this to letter A. Press enter. And then click this again. Copy. And then make sure multiple is checked. Let's put it at 6,000. And as you can see, it recognized that you put in letters. So it will correct itself and put B, C, and then D. Press escape to finish the command. So we have our grid lines and then it's inside of our elevations. So let's go to north elevation. We're gonna maintain level 1 to level 2 at 4,000 millimeters. We could change the name to ground floor. And then with this one, second floor. Let's drag this a little bit. And then click one of this and then drag it upwards. I'm gonna add one more grid line. So it's better to just click on this and then copy and then maintain 4,000. Press escape and this will be poof. Let me extend this all the way out. So as you can see, we have our elevation and our grid line for the ground. So before we go further, we should save this and then go to the folder that you want to save it. And I'm gonna call this Strip Plaza. and then save it. You can check your option on how many backups you want to create. I'm gonna put this at around 5, but if you're a starter, it's better to put it around 10 to 20, as you're probably going to create more error, and it's better for you to have a lot of backup to go back to. So let's press OK with this and then save. So now let's add in the wall. So click walls, and let's use generic 300, and then click edit, duplicate, and let's put this as exterior wall number 1, and then press OK. We're gonna leave it at 300, and we're gonna choose the materials later. Cancel this and then press OK. We want it at wall center line. It's because we already have our grid line, and it's gonna be directly in the middle once we put it. And this one will be from ground floor to second floor. And then let's add in the wall. I'm gonna zoom in, and let's add in like this. So we have our exterior wall. Now let's create our interior wall. So press edit. Let's duplicate this again. And then this will be wall number 1, but interior. Press OK. And this one will be, the thickness will be around 200, and then press OK, and again we're gonna choose center line and going up to second floor. So let's add in from here. So I'm just adding it from there to this end. And then to this end. We're gonna add some walls here as well. So same wall, interior wall. And then we're gonna put it in the middle. So this will be our janitor and then our manager's office. So for the janitor, it's just their storage. After this, let's add in more walls. We're gonna have a vestibule here. So roughly 2000. And then we're gonna add in a wall right here. This will be another stairs. We're gonna add one stairs here with elevator and another stairs here for the second floor for an emergency exit. Right now, I'm gonna do this. Let's put it at 1500 for now. And we're gonna change it later. And we're gonna put it somewhere here. So at this point, we have our retail space. This will be the entrance. There will be a stairs here to go upstairs, and another stair here for an emergency exit. We're gonna put an elevator. This will be a manager's office. This will be storage for janitor. So, and then this will be the vestibule. I'm actually going to add a wall here. There will be a back door here, and this will be the storage area for the retail space. So I'm gonna put it around 3000 all the way up to here. I'm gonna select these walls. So by holding Control button and selecting each one, I'm gonna click Edit Type, Duplicate, and this will be interior wall number 2. And go to Edit. We're gonna change this to 300. This is wall number 2 interior. It's because this will be a concrete masonry wall for fire safety. Press Escape. And then once we create the stairs as well here, we're gonna enclose that as well. And with the elevator. So for now, let's go further and add in our doors. I'm just gonna edit the doors later. So for now, let's use this. And then this will be the back door. So by going from inside or outside, you can change the orientation. And then another change of orientation if you press the spacebar. So by pressing the spacebar, you can change this orientation from left to right, and then from inwards or outwards. So for now, let's add it right here. Change the orientation, spacebar, and then add it here. Add it as well here. And lastly, from here to here as well. Let's add in for the manager's room, building manager, and then the storage for the janitor. This wall will be moved later on, so I'm not concerned with this. I could just move it later on, because once we add in the elevator, we will need more space for the entrance, and plus the janitor storage it only needs a little room or space. And then my plan is to have this as curtain wall. So all this side will be curtain wall. we will have storefront here, double door, and it will be glass finish. And I will probably split this wall so that I could change the materials later on. So we will have glass, storefront, windows, and doors. And then this will be either brick or stone. And from below and above that, it will either be a stucco finish. So we're gonna figure out after we finish all the floors. So for right now, we're done with this video. In the next video, we're gonna start in with adding the second floor with all the walls and doors, and we're probably gonna add in the floors afterwards. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.